Pentacryl is Preservation Solutions' flagship wood treatment product. It is your solution to significantly reducing cracking and checking when drying greenwood. Greenwood is fresh-cut wood. A live tree has a high moisture content due to the water running through it. As cut greenwood dries, the moisture evaporates, causing the wood to shrink. This shrinkage creates stress and uneven drying, resulting in the formation of cracks and splits. Pentacryl is a blend of modified polymers formulated to treat wood with a moisture content above 30%. It works by penetrating the wood and displacing the moisture, pushing the water out and leaving a thin coating on the wood cell walls. This prevents the cells from shrinking, which helps to maintain the wood's integrity and stops cracks from forming. For the best results, wood should be completely saturated with Pentacryl. It is applied through immersion in a bath of Pentacryl or can be brushed on liberally. Note that proper drying techniques, including slow and controlled drying, are important to aid in minimizing cracking. Pentacryl maintains and brings out the natural color of the wood. Once dry, treated wood can be sanded, stained, glued, wood-burned, or sealed. Pentacryl is a revolutionary product that is the solution for the woodworker struggling with cracking wood.